Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge Remodeling Services. Is your kitchen ready for a transformation? Welcome to EagleRidge, your go-to expert for premier kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Colton, Utah, 84017. At EagleRidge, we believe your kitchen should reflect your style and meet your needs. That's why we offer personalized design solutions and quality craftsmanship to bring your vision to life. From custom kitchen makeovers to complete renovations, our team specializes in new kitchen construction, kitchen additions and extensions, custom cabinetry and countertop installations, tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring, modern lighting, plumbing, and appliance setups. We even provide eco-friendly remodeling options, smart home integrations, and luxury upgrades to keep your kitchen stylish and efficient. Want an open concept design or need structural modifications? We handle it all, ensuring a seamless process from start to finish. With free estimates, detailed consultations, and expert project management, EagleRidge is committed to delivering results that exceed your expectations. Ready to bring your dream kitchen to life? Contact EagleRidge in Colton today at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com. Let's build something beautiful together.